Hey! In front of me is REALME C30 and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this REALME device. You need to start by opening Tools folder and choosing Recorder app. First of all, you need to select Allow, but I already did that, so I can click on this red button to start my recording right away. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, you can do that by selecting the same button. In order to add a bookmark, click on this left icon, and if you wish to end your recording, click on the square one. Now you need to access list of all your recordings by clicking on the same right button, and if you wish to play one of them, just click on it. If you wish to rename it though, you need to go back, hold it, select those three dots at the top right corner and tap on Rename option. Now type in wherever you wish to and choose Save. In order to get rid of your recording though, hold it again, but this time select this pin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in this pop-up by selecting Allow. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!